Greetings to all. Today's session is for class 9th, chapter 1, number system, exercise 1.3. The second question of this exercise. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. Can you predict what is the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actual doing the long division? If so, how? Let us see the solution first. Write 1 by 7 as 0.142857. If you know the value, then we have to find out 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without doing the division process. Now, if 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7. See, in denominator you can think it is 1. Generally, the fraction you have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. It will be 2 by 7 itself. So, instead of 2 by 7, you can write 2 into 1 by 7. Already you know the value of 1 by 7. It's already given. Now, what you have to do? Write 2 as it is into what is 1 by 7? It is 0.142857 bar. Multiply, you will get 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10, 10, 1 carry 11, again 1 carry, 2 eights are 16, 16, 1, 17, again 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 fours are 8, no carry, 2 ones are 2, point, 2 zeros are 0. Now, if you multiply 0.142857 into 2, you will get an answer that is 0.285714 is the answer. See, I have written. Similarly, what you have to do? You have to write down 3 by 7. 3 by 7 can be written in the form of 3 into 1 by 7 again. Write 3 as it is. Write the value of 1 by 7, 0.142857. If you multiply 0.1428 into 3, you will get answer as 0.428571. Now, write the answer and put bar on it. Similarly, you have to do the same procedure to find out 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Now 4 by 7 can be written as 4 into 1 by 7. Write 4 as it is. Instead of 1 by 7, write the value and multiply it. Here I have done the multiplication, and when you multiply, you get the answer that is 0.571428. This is the answer I have written. Again, continue the same procedure, that is 5 by 7 can be written as 5 into 1 by 7. Retain this 5 as it is. Instead of 1 by 7, substitute the value of 1 by 7 that is given already and do the multiplication as before. Then you will get the answer 0.714285 is the answer. And lastly, you can find out 6 by 7 by writing 6 into 1 by 7. 6 as it is. Instead of 1 by 7, I'll write the value and multiply, and you'll get, when you multiply, you'll get 0.851742. See, you have arrived with the answers without doing the long division. This is the procedure to type. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not equal to 0. Now, 0.6 bar is given. You have to express 0.6 in the form of P by Q. 0.6 bar means the number 6 has been repeated continuously. This is the meaning. Now what I'll do, I'll take this value as x. That is x is equal to 0.6666. Now the next step, I'll going to multiply both the sides by 10. Now multiply by 10, that is x into 10. This is equal to 0.6666 into 10. If you multiply, you will get x is 10x and this answer will be 6.6666. See, suppose if you multiply 0.6 into 10, 66 into 10, what happens? 10 here, the decimal point will shift to one place. Then it will be 6.6. Same way, if you multiply 0.666 into 100, since there are two zeros, here the decimal point will shift to two places. 1, 2. Now the answer will be 66.6. Similarly, 0.6666. If you multiply by 1000, since 3 zeros in 1000, this decimal point will shift 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. That is 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Then the answer will be 666.6. You will get the answer as 6.666. Now let me call this equation as 1. That is assigning 0.66 to x is 1 and multiplying both the sides by 10. Let me call this equation as 2. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Now what is equation 2? Equation 2 is 10x. See the left hand side. These are the left hand side. That is 10x minus x. And what is right hand side? That is 6.666 minus, that is 0.666. Is it clear? Now if you subtract, what you will get? 10x minus x is 9x. And here if you subtract 6.66, if you subtract by 0.66, now what you will get? All the terms are similar. You will get 0, 0, 0 and here 6. Now what is the answer? That is 6.0. Now write x is equal to 6 by 9. Then 3 3s are 3 2s are. Then x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to 2 by 3. They are given 0.6, but you are written in the form of P by Q. That just observe the procedure. Have written. See, first whatever the value is given, write it in the form of recurring, repeating. Then write x is equal to, then multiply both the sides by 10. Then you have to subtract second equation and the first equation. X is equal to 6 by 9. Then x is equal to 2 by 3. Number 2, express 0.47 in the form of P by Q. Now what is the meaning of 0.47? Here the bar is on 7. That is only the number digit 7 has been repeating. Now substitute the value as x, that is x is equal to 0.4777. Let me call this equation as 1. Multiply both the sides by 10. Then what happens? 10 into x and 10 into 0.477. Now what is 10 into x? It is 10x. When you multiply, as I said, whenever if you multiply by 10, the decimal point will shift one time, as I already explained, isn't it? Then it will be 4.77. Let me call this equation as 2. Now you have two equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2. Subtract the equation 2 minus equation 1. Now what is left hand side of equation 2? That is 10x. What is the left hand side of equation 1? It is x. Then write the right hand side and the left hand side. If you subtract, you will get minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 0 is 4. Here 10 minus x is 9x. Now what I'll do, I'll multiply and divide by 10. 9x is equal to, here 4.3 into 10 is 43 and 10 as it is. Then x is equal to 43 by 9. Otherwise, this step can be written in one more form, that is 9x is equal to 4.3. Here, write x as it is, that is 4.3 by 9. Now, x is equal to, shift this point towards the right side. If you shift this point, here you are supposed to multiply by 10. Then you will get 43 by 90 as an answer. The same thing, you can do it in two ways, either in this method or even in this method. Both the method will gives you the same answer, that is 43 by 90. The next question, 0.001 bar. Here the bar is on all the 3 digits. That indicates all 3 digits will get repeat. 0.001, 001, 001, so on. Let me call this value as x. Suppose if it is 0.7, then what you will write? 0.7777. Then you will write it as x is equal to 0.77. Since the bar is on only one digit, you have to multiply both the side by 10. Suppose if it is 0.79 bar, then what does it indicate? The number 79 is being repeating. Now what you have to do, you'll assign this value as x and you have to multiply both the sides by 100 because the bar is on 2 digits. If the bar is on 1 digit, multiply by 10. If the bar is on 2 digit, multiply by 100. Here the bar is on 3 digits. See, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, you have to multiply by 1000. If you multiply by 1000, then you'll get the answer 1000 into x is equal to 1000 into 0.001001. Then 1000 into x is 1000x and the answer is 1.001. Then you have to subtract, same procedure, second equation minus first equation. Then write the left hand sides and right hand side separate and you will get the answer 999x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 by 999 as an answer. The question was given, that is 0.001 bar was expressed in terms of 1 by 999, which is in the form of P by Q. Here P is 1, Q is 999. The next question, that is fourth question, express 0.9999 in the form of P by Q. Are you surprised by your answers? With your teacher and the classmates discuss why the answer makes sense. Write 0.999. This 0.99 can be written as 0.9 bar. This 9 number is been repeating, so I can write bar on 9. To write x is equal to 0.999 and call this equation as 1. Since the bar was on only one digit, so you have to multiply both the sides by 10. If you multiply both the sides, then it will become 10 into x and 10 into 0.9999. If you multiply 10 into x, it is 10x. 1 0 is there, so the decimal point will shift to here. that is 9.999. Let me call this equation as 2. Here I have two equations. Same procedure, that is subtract equation 2 by equation 1. If you subtract equation 2 by equation 1, that is 10x minus x and 9.999 minus 0.999. If you subtract, you will get 9x is equal to 9.00. See, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9. Here x is equal to 9 divided by 9, that is x is equal to 1. See, the question was 0.999, but you got an answer as x is equal to 1. Now, see, they are given, discuss why the answer makes sense. In previous questions and all, you could find, see, if you observe the previous question, if the value was 0.47, that means which was below 0.9, isn't it? Then what was the answer? It was 43 by 90. Denominator was 90. And if you observe the one more example, that is expressing 0.6 recurring, then here also you got the denominator as 9. Here, why you got the value as 1? Because value which was given, the 0.999, was approximately equal to 1. Here, you got both numerator and denominator similar. Hence, the P by Q form was 1. Hence, it make n sense. Generally, what happens? Whenever if you write 0.999, we'll write it as approximately equal to 1. If you find my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.